What's good, boos? It's Sheen Boo, and you already know today we are going to be doing a wash-in style. So I'm using the GoldWell Dual Sense line. It's for dry, damaged hair. It's very moisturizing. So I'm going to start with shampooing my hair. I shampoo my hair twice, and then I go in with the conditioner. Currently, I am rinsing out the shampoo. Excuse the steam. It wouldn't let me be great, but it's gonna clear up in just a second. And I'm just going to make sure I rinse it out thoroughly. And I'm making funny faces because that's what I do when the water hits my face. Now I'm just adding the conditioner to the perimeter of my hair and scalp. And then I'm gonna work it through and kind of section it off and get all the conditioner in there. And then after I work it in, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse that conditioner out. And I'm not scratching my scalp. I'm just massaging my scalp with the pads of my fingers. You don't want to scratch your scalp. It's not good for your scalp. Just use the pads of your fingers and I promise you it'll get clean. So rinse your hair thoroughly. And then I'm going to go in with the deep conditioner after I get done rinsing. So as you can see, I'm really sad because my deep conditioning mask is gone. Because I love this stuff. I've been using it since the summertime, but I wanted to make sure I liked the product line before I shared it with you guys. And as you can see, I love it. So I went ahead and went in with the Cantu deep conditioning pack because I was out of the, I was out of the other one. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the last conditioner, but this time I'm going to be putting on this thermal cap so I can deep condition in my hair. Normally I sit under the dryer, but I've been trying this cap out because it's just much more convenient for me to put this cap on than sitting under the dryer. And the cap is coming soon, guys. I'm just talking to you while I do it. There it is. So I'm going to put that on, and I'm going to put on 2 regular shower caps just to make sure the heat is really locked in. Went ahead and rinsed that deep conditioner out. And I just put shower caps back on my head so that it can hold the moisture. So I showed you the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner I've been using. As you can see, I've been using it because this is almost gone. This is the Rich Repair, Restore, and Spray Serum. And this is the Rich Repair Dual Sense. Well, it's all Dual Sense. This is a serum as well, but it's not spray. So what I do first, this is before I blow dry my hair. I go in with the spray serum and I just put it all over my hair. This smells so good. I love the smell of this. It just makes my hair smell fresh and clean. Y'all can see the shrinkage though. Cream serum. I'm gonna put this throughout my hair. I have this new, I don't know what I did with it. It's like a shampoo / detangling brush. And I said I was gonna use it in my next video, but I can't find it. I don't know what I did with it. But let's section this hair off. It came in this package. Got it from the dollar store, y'all. It's this First Line Sleek Treat Me Relax shampoo and clean shampoo brush. So this is what the package looks like from the dollar store. This is what the brush looks like. Now, I know it's a shampoo brush, but for my kind of hair, this would be great detangler. And I've seen somebody else detangling their hair with this that has hair that appears to be like mine. But y'all see how gently this is gliding through? This is what I needed. And I'm like, there's no way you're able to get through their hair like that using that. But look, no tangles and no snags. All right, y'all. So I take this mirror, and then there's a mirror behind me right here, and this is how I, what you call it, part my hair. So this is why you guys normally don't get a hair tutorial. So I'm gonna do my absolute best to show you guys how I do the back. I started to just do the back and then come back and show you with the back done, and then show you doing the front. I'm really trying to show y'all the whole process. On top of that, I don't even know what I want to do to my hair. I'm thinking about just finishing this tomorrow, but yeah, the struggles. Okay, so I position the mirror. Can y'all see me? Y'all can see me. I'm gonna back it up a little bit more so you can see my hair. But I position this mirror right here to where I can see the back of my hair. And then I look at it, I feel like my arm is blocking y'all. And maybe I should put you guys on the other side, but if I do this. So I'm going to attempt to show you guys how I twist the back of my hair using these two mirrors. So what I did, I was gonna try and make 2 rows in the back, and it ended up not working out. So when I get to the end clip, you're gonna see that I actually took this out and I twisted my hair all the way to the top, and then I just put 2 twists in the front. So I filmed this part because it doesn't matter how many rows it is, I do the exact same way. So all I'm doing is putting a little product on my edges, and then I'm taking 2 strands and I'm twisting them one underneath the other. So you're just gonna twist both sides one underneath the other, and then you're gonna do just like a regular twist or a regular ponytail twist once you get to the end. So again, I'm just parting my hair. I'm trying to get the parts as straight as possible because that's really important to me. And then I'm gonna twist, and I'm tucking one underneath the other, one underneath the other. And I'm gonna do that all the way until there's no more hair left. And then once I get to the end, I'm gonna just twist it all the way down. And once I get to the very end of the twist, I add more moisturizer to the end of the twist, and that's how I twist the back of my hair. So as you can see in this clip, I went ahead and twisted the twist all the way up to the top. And now we're gonna move on into twisting the front of our hair. So I only know how to twist in 2 directions, and I lead with my left hand, even though I'm right-handed, long story. But I only know how to twist the back up and then the front to the side. So that's literally how I came up with this style, because these are the only 2 ways I know how to twist. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you. As I learn more, I'll show you more. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did in the back. I'm just splitting my hair into 2, and I'm twisting one underneath the other, and I'm going to do it from the beginning all the way until the end. So I don't know any other way to explain it better than that. It's like braiding your hair, but you're using 2 strands instead of 3. I don't know how to braid yet, but that's going to be the next thing I teach myself. So you're just tucking one underneath the other, and then you're going to keep twisting. And once you get all the way to the end, you're going to add more moisturizer and you're going to twist it all the way down. So that's one twist completed. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the next twist as well. So now I'm adding more moisturizer into my hair. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this Eco Styler gel and I'm going to put it on my edges. Now, since it's the front of my hair, it's the part that everybody's going to see and it basically makes the style, I have to put a little more gel in my front edges and I take it up a little higher and then I brush it. But do not put the gel in your hair. I repeat, do not put the gel in your hair. Just put it on your edges and then we're going to start twisting the exact same way that we did the last twist. We're just taking one underneath the other and you're really just putting your finger underneath and then you're catching it on the other side and you're twisting one underneath the other. Hopefully this makes sense. If you don't understand, please comment down below, and if I can find some other videos, I'll link the videos of other people doing flat twists. But honestly, I don't think you can explain it any better. But I don't mind sharing some videos that I watch, but I really taught myself. I don't even twist like how I see other people twist. I was actually trying to braid and I noticed I was only catching 2 instead of 3. And that's how I learned how to flat twist. So now I'm going to twist the 2 front twists together. And once I get to the end, I'm going to tuck them. And then I put hairpins in it. I do not use bobby pins. You have to use hairpins because they're easier to hide and they're going to lay more flat than a bobby pin. And they're also more wide open, so you can get more hair underneath there. Use hairpins and not bobby pins. And now that I'm done with the front of my hair, I'm just going to tighten up the back of my hair. I noticed it was a little loose, so I'm just twisting them all together, and then I'm going to tuck my ends underneath as well and then stick hairpins in it. So this is great if you have like brittle ends or you don't want your ends to get brittle and you want to protect them. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, Sheen to Sheen Boo. You already know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. So follow me and keep on watching.